Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can add video or body or photo effects on CapCut. So if you guys new on CapCut, there are three effects that you can use to your edit. The first one is video effect, so it can apply to your clips. And in here there are lots of options of effects category that you can use. For example, if you want to use this camera shake effect like this, you can always adjust each of the effect, for example the range, the speed, and other adjustment. So it depends on the effect, and you can also adjust on how long you want the effects to apply to your clips like this. Okay, so that's the first one, video effect. So now I'm going to add body effect, for example. So here just click on the body effects and then choose the one that you want to use. For example, I want to use this lightning effect. Just click on the effect and it's the same with video effect. You can always adjust the effect like this by clicking on the adjust on the effects name, and if you're done just click on the check icon, and you can also adjust the length like this. Okay, so the last one is photo effect. So photo effect can only be applied when you add a photo to CapCut. For example, you want to change the facial expression into sad, for example, like this. The photo will be changed accordingly to the photo effect that you use. So I'm going to use the anime face, for example. So it will go like this. Okay, so when you're done just click on the check icon and the photo effect will be also applied to your photo in CapCut. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thumbs, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.